many things we need to talk about because you also got into artist management and you know, talk to us about that relationship with Aidonia and how did the fallout impact, you know, your personal career and also you as a person.
I can definitely speak on that because I look back at everything now. I can put a proper perspective on it. But when you're caught up in the moment, remember, them time them hot. Them time them not say my high, but my hot, and me just owe myself. Me not owe nothing to nobody but myself. But I saw this youth named Aidonia DJing downstairs from the studio. He was a part of Goofy Camp. And trust me, talented youth. And I tried with a lot of young artists and it wasn't working out. And them time them, I invested in myself, I invested in my own talent as a producer. So I wanted to help some other youths, right? So I remember I'm going to visit Aidonia one day by him house. Some Kayla gave me the link to him, Press K. She gave me the address and make the link for me. I'm going to drive go around and go check in. And I show him, say, I want to do some work with him. And, you know, he expressed great gratitude at the time. You know, I'm dropping on the middle of the road and I said, thank you, because right now, the thing wicked out there, you know? So I will form a crew named Gangbang, right? And I'm telling you, them time then now, me have fun my thing myself. I not rely upon nobody. So me I send go to the bank every day, right? Spend money in the street. Me I buy motorcycles. I'm make sure I buy what I do a car. I do everything. I spend for get him out there because I believe in this. You talent. When you see talent, you know you're sure. And I pick out one plot on the hill for say my house I got there, some female house I got there, right there. So you know them way there? Love the youth. Love the youth more than my woman because of music and I feel a passion in me now way. It draw me out, you know? I come from nothing and then cut off foot pants and the clocks, but the baddest thing in a DJ. I'm just so inspired and motivated. Every day I dream of how I can put this youth further. I remember when I booked him for the first thing, I lock him up in my apartment and give him some VHS tape with Sting from the past and tell him, watch these tapes and know how to talk to the crowd. And Sting is an unruly crowd, so you have to bad them up. Bad up our length too. But you have to step out and deal with the show that way for people to take you serious. And so said, so done, he was great. But then now, when things start go crazy, you know, when Vibes Cartel himself come at the studio and I see my reason with doing that, and him a DJ Aidonia own a song for him. Cartel a DJ Aidonia song to Aidonia. To show him how good Dona is, and then Killer them send fee man. Everybody send fee man. Everybody have my people, them are loyal to me. See? And Dona have people them are loyal to him. Two are we young and two are we have ego. See? So if Dona not show up at the studio one time when I expect him to show up, me not just I hold it down a little bit and I try to deal with it for a militancy. Me I take a different approach. Me I take a bad up approach. See me? Now I can take accountability for my actions because back then I swear say people just take advantage of my kindness and I lose. You know what I say? But it is very important for you to understand where you went wrong in the investments that you made and the choices that you made in the past so you don't repeat them. So I have a street credibility where me no want damage. It means an upcoming artist and a lot of people are latch on to my in ears. Seeing? And the two of we are clash now. Because me now got make it look like say me a back down to a little youth I just know from yesterday. And him I say, yo, me are somebody too. And me have a voice too. So whole heap of clashing go on and whole heap of fighting and whole heap of war go on and me I say me I spend my money and me not make no man come make me waste my money. Me I go mash up your place and me I go sue and be a them something. And it go on for about couple months until we exhaust any notion of even moving further working together. And it's just come from both sides. And then I mean lose the most in my mind because I invested a whole heap of money, millions. Seeing? But I still have to take accountability to say, yo, when you deal with things on a street level, you have to acknowledge that you have to do business at the same time. So you have to hire people to do certain things for you and just be the producer and still maintain certain type of relationships. I didn't do that. So I lost a lot and I was heartbroken in the process because I had to sit and watch Donia and mash up, be a stage show, I find be a hit song and I run the place and know say, yo, I needed plant that seed there, but I'm not a part of the journey again. So that That worse than when your woman break your heart. I tell you in a Keshi. You can get over heartbreak. But you see, when music break your heart, trust me, you will jump off a building. You see me?
Wow.
And yeah, and trust me, it scarred me for years. It scarred me. You know? Remember, I pick up piece of land when I want 2 hours me and him and them something there. Nobody could tell me say that now gonna manifest. I remember one day when me have an X5 and me do one for drive and me there I'm a studio and me see doing a drive in the X5 and step out and come pick up some money and leave, and then I see him drive in and come pick up money for show again, and when him go away, him have one of them pants there. One of them cloth lens pants there, but the man 4 pocket full of money. And when I see him jump in the truck and drive out, me shake my down, I say, wow, look the man, look for success. Because you're witness a youth where you come from zero and you're a part of his success. So all of them things that play with my head for a while and make me feel like, say, yo, John or you mess up.
You mess up.
You know?
And
it took me a while to throw myself out of the hole. I'm not telling you.
So yes, guys, as you can see, yeah, man, Skatta just I give him take on the aidonia situation with him and aidonia in the early days before him boss. Yeah, man, because them say, remember them say, oh, aidonia say, Skatta walk it up there, you know, guys. So remember, Jamaica not them best TV. We out here without fear. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man, I want to leave on the comment in the comment section, guys.